Hey guys, so today I did a video on this slick back. Okay, I love slick backs. Slick backs are like my go-to. So I thought it was a bug on me. So let's just get into it. So first I like to part my hair so that my hair can be sectioned into the way that I want my slick back. So now I'm spraying just plain water on my hair to like get it damp so that I can detangle it, because my hair detangles best when it's wet or damp. And then after I dampen my hair, I'm going to section it so that it's easier to detangle. So first I detangle my hair with a wide tooth comb, and then you'll see me use my Demlin brush to also further detangle. Right now, I'm just using my Shea Moisture's Curling Enhancing Smoothie to moisturize my hair. And then I'll brush out my curls with my Demlin brush again. So now I'm moving on to the next section. I'm making it smaller because I realized it was too big. But I'm just gonna do all the sections throughout my hair, just like how I did the first section. Yeah, and that's my heat damage from last summer when I used to like flat out my hair every day. I don't know why, but whatever. But now I'm using my Eco Styler gel to slick down that section so I can put it into a ponytail. And then you'll see me do the other side of my hair section by section and add to the ponytail each time. So now I'm moving on to the other side of my hair, and I'm just literally going to do the same steps that I did on the first side to this side. You did ugly, bro. Yeah, and that was my friend. She wanted to be in my YouTube video so bad. I don't know why. But yeah, so I'm detangling, moisturizing, detangling more, eco and then slicking it back into the ponytail. So this is a tip for detangling your hair, especially natural hair. Detangle from end to root, because if you do it the other way around, I promise you, you will rip out so much of your hair, and you please don't do it. Just from bottom to top. Make sure when moisturizing your hair, you make sure to get your ends, because that's the oldest part of your hair. So it needs the most like attention. So make sure you get your ends. Watch how sleek my hair gets. So, like, this is the only way my hair will get slick, if I do it in sections. So if you want your hair really, really slick, make sure you take your time. Don't rush. Okay, so now that I'm actually done the actual ponytail, I'm going to do my edges. So with my edges, I call them staircases, and I always do 3 when I want to be fancy. Sometimes I do 2 when I'm being lazy, but normally I do 3. And on the other side, I normally just leave it flat like how it is, but I actually put like kind of waves in it this time. I don't know why. I just wanted to try something different, but I actually like the way it came out, so I might try it again. But you can kind of see what I'm doing for my edges. I can't really explain it, but you can kind of see what I'm doing. Oh, and if you want this edge brush that I'm using, go see your local beauty supply store, or you can look it up online. I'll try to link it below, but it's very essential when doing your edges. So after I finished perfecting my edges, I wrap my hair up for like 5 to 10 minutes. And while my hair is wrapped up, I just do my sideburns, which you'll see me do now. Okay, so after I do my edges, I fluff out my ponytail, then take off my scarf, and here are the results. I really love the way this look back came out for real.